Mastering idioms, to the letter. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into an interesting English idiom, to the letter. Idioms can be tricky, but they are a key part of mastering any language. Understanding them not only helps in comprehension but also makes your communication more natural and expressive. So, let's unravel the meaning and use of to the letter together. To the letter is an idiom that means doing something exactly as it is described or instructed, without changing any details. It emphasizes precision and adherence to specific directions or rules. When someone follows instructions, to the letter, they pay attention to every detail and make sure everything is done exactly how it was supposed to be done. Example in use. Imagine you're assembling a piece of furniture. If you follow the instruction manual to the letter, you carefully match each step in the manual with your actions, ensuring that every screw and part is in its correct place. The phrase, to the letter, dates back to a time when literacy was less common, and written documents were treated with great respect and authority. Letters, or written characters, were seen as precise and unchangeable, unlike spoken words, which can be easily forgotten or altered. So, following something, to the letter, came to mean following it with utmost precision, as one would respect the exact words written in a crucial document. To the letter is commonly used in both formal and informal settings. In the workplace, you might be instructed to follow a policy to the letter to avoid mistakes. In a casual setting, a friend might tell you they followed a recipe to the letter, but the dish still didn't turn out as expected. Tips for using the phrase. 1. Context is key. Use the phrase when you want to emphasize precision and careful adherence to instructions. 2. Formal and informal. To the letter fits well in both professional documents and everyday conversation. And that's to the letter for you. Understanding and using idioms like this one can add color and precision to your language. Remember, idioms are the seasoning that adds flavor to the language stew. We hope this video helps you use to the letter with confidence in your conversations and writings. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.